now, you probably don't just really be slow tramping, just probably getting frisky. Right now, you probably doing her going through a little drink, cause you can't shoot the whiskey. Right now, you probably want to move to the fish, showing her how to shoot a combo. You don't know. I took my key and threw inside of his hand. She said, well, we'll just come from the and feelings of the sea. To know from the broken life, that's my heart and it's all time. Every time I feel right now, it's always been present. Music is chasing spirituality. Right now, it's always been on front. Maybe thinking that it's gonna get lucky. Right now, it's always on all three bottles worth of that been so long. Let me maybe next time you'll see before you choose. Four-wheel drive, call my name and do it for
and they ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. Bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Bitches ain't shit and they ain't saying nothing. 100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. Bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Bees in the trap, bees in the trap. And I've been dead, and I've been popped up. And if you trying to get it, I'm gonna get dropped off. Let me bust that you, bitch, bust that open. Might spend a couple thousand to bust that open. Rip it off, no joking, like your name Hulk Hogan. Niggas screw weak and down, but let them Hulk open. If I spit that crap, like I'm on that track. So if you need a hit, then I'm with that bag. Bitches ain't shit and they ain't.
Many years ago, hoping I will find true love along the broken road. But I got lost determined to what my God kept pushing through. I can see how every side pointed straight to you. Every
soul, wanting me all my way. Into your love, this much I know is true. That God bless the broken heart, and what He's prayed to you.